Wow! Good morning! 5:24 AM. Punta kami ng La Union. Hi Rara!
Hi! Hi Rara!
May nagtatago. Birthday girl! Hello!
Hi! Welcome to my vlog!
Biyahe na kami. Bye! Dumating na kami sa stopover. Breakfast muna. Tapaking daw eh. Tapa daw yung gusto nila. Hello, nag-switch kami. So, Mama's driving.
Hi! Hi vlog!
We went to shop sa grocery para dun sa mga gagawin. Para medyo tipid din tayo. Bumili kami dito sa Pier Gold. Super close na to sa sa Urbistondo, San Fernando area. Just waiting for them. Andyan sila. Bumili kasi si birthday girl ng contact lens. Ayaw niya daw nakasalamin sa beach. So, graded na contact lens hinihintay. I don't know how long, pero I think soon. So, after nito, magla-lunch lang kami, tapos check-in na kami. So, yeah.
Ano ng chocolate?
Say good morning, bro.
Noonie!
Hi!
Hi!
Where are you? Where are you going? Yeah. You're going to the beach? You happy?
Happy?
Yes.
Oh, then you show your happy face. Show your teeth. You're so pretty. Hi, vlog.
That's funny vlog.
Vlog is funny. That's funny vlog. You sing happy birthday to vlog. Hello! Dumating na kaming La Union. Hi! Dinadala lang namin yung mga gamit. So yung ini-stayan namin dito, yung dati na namin ini-stayan. Cheapest around, tsaka nasa center. Yung Vasquez apartment. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Blow, 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 blow. One, two. Finger ring. Blow, 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 blow. Go.
Way! Wow!
Hi, vlog.
Hi. Heading to the beach now. Hi Rara. Anong masasabi mo po?
First time ko dito.
Ano naman?
We're here at
Where's Rara?
We're at the beach.
See, they're making sandcastle. Ayun ko, parang okay na dito.
What are you doing? You're making sandcastle? Hmm? Say hi.
Hi.
Shake, shake, shake.
Good morning! It's our second day here in La Union. And Rara's going to the beach. You're going to play what?
Sand.
Sand. And what else? What else?
And water.
And what? Hi, so we're going out on our second day. Amara wants to go to the beach.
We go to the beach?
Maghanap pa ako ng coffee. Hi Rara, where are you going? Okay. Pansin. Tawag nila famous doon sa Ayan. Dito na kami sa beach. Nagka-picture sila. Ayan. And ako, as usual, hanap muna akong coffee. Sarado pag guys. Good morning. Good morning, camera. We're on our way to the man-made forest and then Baluarte Tower. Tapos doon na kami magla-lunch. Ayan si Mama, alam niya kasi. Alam niya yung pera. Anong makikita doon mo?
Yes, people.
Doon na rin tayo kakaroon. Dito na kami sa man-made forest. Ayan. Ayan. Nakatulog ang baby. Hi! You're still sleepy. Still sleepy. Mag-picture kayo? Tatanong natin yung mga isa sa turista dito. Ano pong lugar na to?
V.
V.
Yes.
Maganda, no?
V na papalik. So, ano siya? Bravo.
Ikaw po, ano masasabi mo sa lugar na to? Maganda.
Ito siya. Wala lang.
Ikaw po, Mama.
Wala lang. It's okay.
Ayan, boys buhay. Picture tapos tatakbo pag may dada. pabalik na ako ng car. Yung next namin pupuntahan, yung Baluarte Tower. Doon na rin kami magla-lunch kasi may kainan naman doon. Isa or dalawa lang ata. But still, mayroon. So guys, nandito tayo sa Kabsat for sunset on our last night and dinner. So I'll show it to you. So, done eating. Maraming serving ng chicken. What can you say? Maganda yung place. Masarap ba talaga? Okay. Kayo guys. Ayan. Ayun yung sunset. Pulang-pula. Sun is setting. Sun is setting. Hi Amara Maxine.